Hey guys, it's Snowfalls Gaming, and today I'm gonna give you guys the ID for signing up in my Xbox Live, so that you guys could join my world sometimes because I'm gonna do a role play, so that you could join my role play. So I'm gonna invite to game Lyra. Oh, it's offline. She's offline. I'm gonna send you an invite. I hope she comes, but she is offline. But I added her. So yeah. So if you wanna join some of my role plays with I won't be lonely. Give me your ID down below. Give me your ID. Your username on Minecraft Xbox Live, so that I could add you guys. I'll try and add each one of you guys so that I could add you. So I won't be doing any gameplay, but I'm just gonna be doing some Minecraft. I'm gonna be doing only FNAF in Minecraft. I'm not gonna be doing other stuff because other stuff, like, they're so big, but some of them are not. So yeah, so I'm still learning how to fly the Elytra. I don't know how to fly the Elytra, so like I always fell. But yeah, so if you want to join my server or other stuff, I'm gonna add you to Minecraft Xbox Live, and then I'm gonna add you as my friend, and then I'm gonna invite you so that we could do a roleplay together. And yeah, so it's Snowfalls Gaming here, and see you on my next video. Bye guys.